Hey guys, Mark Anthony here, and in this video, I'm going to give you some downloads in relation to oath, vows, and contracts. This is a really profound topic, and you'll be amazed at the shifts that you'll experience in your life when you start muscle testing and recognizing what oaths, vows, and contracts you're actually holding on to. So like I said in the other video, make sure you work on, or whatever you're working on, any issues that you're working on, just check at the end of it whether you have any oaths, vows, or contracts in relation to that issue that you're working on. But what we want to do is teach you what it feels like to let go of oaths, vows, and contracts really easily. Teach you how to identify oaths, vows, and contracts very easily, and that it's safe and possible for you to identify and release any oaths, vows, and contracts that you have. So what we're also going to do is teach you how to let go of any oaths, vows, or contracts that you have of celibacy, and releasing any oaths, vows, and contracts that you have of poverty. So they're the really common ones. And what we're going to do is teach you how to...
Get that. Could you try again?
Teach you how to recognize any oaths, vows, and contracts that you do have quickly and easily. And knowing how to trust that you can release those oaths, vows, and contracts easily and effortlessly. And knowing that it's safe and possible for you to heal past lives, and it's also safe and possible for you to heal your current life. Knowing that you can allow yourself to heal your past, that you can allow yourself to move forward from your past, and knowing that it's safe and possible for you to move forward and create the most amazing future for yourself. The other thing that we want to do is teach you how to recognize any oaths, vows, or contracts that your ancestors may have given you or passed down to you. And teach you that it's safe and possible for you to release any oaths, vows, or contracts from your ancestors as well. Knowing that you can do that quickly and easily, and that you're worthy and deserving of doing that, and that it's safe and possible for you to do that as well. So if you're happy to receive those downloads, then just say yes. Okay, cool. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's an honor to be able to share these videos with you. So if you like it, share it with people that you know or think can benefit from it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you'll be notified as to when our next videos are coming out or when the next video is being released. So I look forward to seeing you all very soon. So stay safe and take care.